Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Dynamics 365 with Azure AD credentials, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize Dynamics 365 with Azure AD credentials, start by navigating to the Azure portal. Log in using your Azure Administrator credentials. Once logged in, locate the Azure Active Directory option in the left navigation pane. Click on App Registrations under the Azure Active Directory menu. In the App Registrations section, select Plus New Registration to create a new application. Set a descriptive name for the application to easily identify it later. Choose the supported account types based on your organization's needs. For the redirect URI, enter the URL for your Dynamics 365 instance. After filling out the required fields, click on Register to create the application. Once registered, you'll be directed to the application overview page. Note that application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID, as you'll need these later. Next, navigate to the Certificates and Secrets tab on the left menu. In this section, click on Plus New Client Secret to generate a new client secret. Add a description for the client secret and choose an expiration period. After clicking Add, make sure to save the client's secret value securely, as it won't be shown again. Now, go to the API Permissions tab to set the necessary permissions. Click on Plus Add a Permission and select Dynamics CRM from the Microsoft APIs. Choose the permissions your application requires, like user_impersonation. After adding the permissions, click on Grant Admin Consent for the permissions to take effect. With the application set up, open Dynamics 365 in another tab. Log into your Dynamics 365 instance, ensuring you have sufficient privileges. Navigate to Settings and then select Administration. Under Administration, find the Azure Active Directory section. Click on Setup to start the linking process. Enter the application, client, ID and the directory, tenant, ID from Azure AD. Paste the client's secret value in the corresponding field. Once all fields are populated, click Save to finalize the connection. To verify the setup, log out and attempt to log in again using your Azure AD credentials. If you successfully log in, the authorization process has been completed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.